Hi from Magic Kingdom. We are here today because today is the Country Bears last time to run. So today is Friday, January 26th, and then after today, Country Bears will be no more. They'll be closing it and refurbishing it, and they're going to open it up, they say this summer sometime. Not exactly sure what the date is going to be, but they're just going to redo some songs. I think they're going to put the Bear Necessities in there. Maybe work on some of the electronics in there. So it's going to be a little bit different, but similar. So we're going to watch it for our last time today. See all the bubbles. But isn't this spot beautiful? And there's like one behind me. You can get some fantastic pictures of the castle behind you. Just great views. So we are going to have a great time here at Magic Kingdom tonight. And join us, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more upcoming videos. All right, so if you can't tell by the noise behind me, we are over here at the shooting range. The kids had to stop by here before we went to the Country Bears. So that's what all the shooting noise is about. Let's see how they're doing. So you aim for the red dots, and things happen when you hit things. Like a tombstone comes up and down, or that's a shovel. There's a spider over here on right above that red dot.
And now, here's a special treat out of town. Our own Trixie.
Y'all come up and see sometime. You hear?
Yeah, soon as I find that, I'll be right up.
The Liberty Bell. Haunted Mansion.
Engine room, reverse 1/4. That's off bell line. Aye, sir. Down line away. Engine room, at 1/4. Down last bell. Dixon, sound off.
We decided to get in line for the Liberty Square Riverboat and had some amazing views of the park. We got on the top of the riverboat, and as we were sailing away, we got to see the backside of the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad and watching it go by in the dark with everything lit up behind it. It was just beautiful. When you're on the riverboat, you can see other things as well. They have some animatronics of a little fishing pier. They have some deer in the background. And we even saw the train. Oh, the train! Dad, there's the train!
Lots of games. I've seen moose and deer and plenty of other things along the shoreline.
There's the train!
Just beyond that, it's open square. That's all for us. Yeah, I got sure. So those who are two decks might be like all the apartments and that the lower deck. Got youngins who want to take their little.
That is a long line for Haunted Mansion.
Thanks, and thank you everyone for traveling the rivers of America with us today.
We decided to get in a Jungle Cruise. It's only a 20-minute wait, but Nadia and Noah just got a jump scare from this tarantula. Is it gonna do it again? No, it's not gonna do it for us. All right.
Watch your steps, use that handrail. Welcome aboard, friends. Come on board. Come on board.
Instead of 20-minute wait, we waited 3.
4. You carry the 1 almost every day, I think. Now over here we have some monarch butterflies somewhere over in the mist there. There. Yes. Now did you know, fun fact, their wingspan can span from 12 inches to a whopping 1 foot. That's why we call them the rulers of the jungle, true monarchs. For Felix actually wants to show up to work on time. There's usually a skipper there, sleeping, but I can't see anybody. Huh. I wonder what scared him away. Huh. Sorry, that tree's usually not there. Hi, Bob. That's Bob. He's a boa constrictor. Now over here. Well, it looks like my in-laws are in town. Woo! It's fine. It's fine. Now, do you guys know the difference between in-laws and outlaws? Well, outlaws are actually wanted. Yeah. Well, at least I got my car to turn over. I've been trying to get Triple H to do that all morning. Oh, no. Our show. This is Dwayne. He's a rock. Yeah. He's one of our more bolder attractions. Yeah. Now, a lot of people try and take him for granted, but we love him. I guess you could say, you're welcome. Yeah. Now, we have made our way into the African belt portion of our tour. Up there, we have our long-necked cheetahs. And back on the left, we have some really old zebras. They're still in black and white. Yeah. Oh, would you look at that? It's a family of lions having their holiday feast. Zebra on the rocks, yeah. He sure looks dead. Tired. Let's leave him be. To rest in pieces. Pieces. Yes, pieces. Yes. Pride Rock, party of 6, your table is ready. Oh, look! I found Skipper Felix. Okay, so Skipper Felix is new to the company, and so am I, but it looks like he is just now getting to the point of his tour. Yeah. Now, Skipper Felix, where's your boat? You're supposed to be on the river. Well, hopefully we'll find his boat for him so we can save him from those animals. Oh, no. Now, over here, we have Smiley and his girlfriend, Ginger. Now, be careful, though. Ginger snaps. Be cool here. Now, up ahead here, we have the most marvelous thing in the world. It's called Schweitzer Falls. It was named after the world-famous explorer, Dr. Albert. Except for this part. Oh, no, uh-oh. Listen, they're trying to charge the boat. It's okay. I know how to scare them off. Just like my last relationship. Watch this. Yeah, they are never calling us back now. Now, a lot of people think my job is so easy a monkey could could do it. Well, those are apes. And apparently they're working on their arts and crafts skills. Yeah, looking good, Brad. I like it. I like all that paint on your fur there. Try to go to the canvas next time, okay? Stay over there. Stay over there. Yeah. Alrighty, my friends. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The eighth wonder of the world. The backside of wire. Oh, two, eight. Oh, two, eight. Eight. Oh, two, eight. Oh, two, eight. Sorry. I love telling that joke, but only can tell it periodically. Yeah. Now I've got this one about oxygen and potassium, but it's just okay. Now where are we? Oh, yes, we have now made our way into the Mekong River, and apparently there's been an earthquake here recently. What do you guys think? Should we go in? Oh man, I was ready to say that. Okay, you guys keep your eyes open. I'm gonna keep mine closed. You would think that's water coming out of their nose. Well, it's not. Oh, but dude, look at that. There's a baby elephant bathing under a full moon. Oh, so cute. They're playing patty cake with their mother's tail. It is so cute. Oh my goodness. Hello. Hi, hello. Looks like Mama's playing hide and seek. I forgot you guys are down. Duck, 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 duck. Oh no, look out. Duck, 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 duck. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Go down. Everybody okay? Sorry. I thought I saw a duck and I got really excited. I love ducks. Alrighty, my friends. Now our journey is almost at its end.
Sensitive to the right. To the haunted mansion. Actually, we have 999 but there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you should decide to join us, final arrangements may be made again.
By ringing the bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rap on a tape. It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your...
till you return.
That was really neat. That was like our real faces, it looked like, wasn't it? Yeah.
After riding Haunted Mansion, we wanted to walk by the Country Bears at least one more time as we were leaving the park. And the fireworks were going off in the background. The songs, the fireworks were just amazing as we were walking through. It was really fun. But the crowd for the Country Bears was a very long line, as it did close. Like, people were in line for 2 hours and were unable to get on to the last few showings because it stopped working. But we did walk by all those people that were waiting in lines, and they did get posters and I think fast passes for the next day. But at least we got to see it one last time before it did shut down for good. And we're excited to see the new Country Bear Musical Jamboree that they're going to name it when it opens up later this year. But we had a wonderful time at Magic Kingdom with our family. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more upcoming videos. And now it's your family time. Bye.